What sort of customers are better, do you think, for your business? The needers or the wanters? I think there's two types of customers as a domestic electrician. There's needers and wanters. I know that people may be, yep, the wanters want the work done, so they need us to do it. But let me explain. The wanters are for people like maybe that want to convert their garage into maybe a man cave, and they need electrics and plugs and different lights in there. They've got a budget. They can maybe do it or maybe don't. They don't have to do it. They want to get a price and maybe just to check it out to see how much it's gonna cost. So you might not get the job all the time. They're just they're people that want the work doing. They don't necessarily need the work doing. Now the needers are for people like landlords and people that have Airbnbs. They need the work doing. If you've got a property that's got no electric, you can't rent it. So they need an electrician to go in there and fix it. If someone's got an Airbnb property and the sockets don't work or the lights don't work, they need an electrician to go out there so they can continue to run their business. So this is the difference between needers and wanters. So this is what I think is a better idea to fill up your customer list of people that need electrical work doing. So let me know in the comments below the sort of customers that your sort of customer base is filled up with. Are they needers or are they wanters? And then also, are you going to think about it a little bit more to get some more needers?